Have you ever wondered, in the sprawling digital landscape of QuickBooks Online, who's actually crunching the numbers? I mean, we see the reports, the dashboards, the beautifully organized transactions, but who is behind it all? Are we talking about a legion of digital accountants, a swarm of AI number ninjas, or is it just magic? Seriously, think about it. QuickBooks Online, or QBO as many call it, is a powerhouse. It's the go-to platform for millions of small businesses worldwide. It streamlines accounting, payroll, invoicing, and so much more. But with all that data flowing through its servers, someone or something has to be making sure everything adds up, right? We're not talking about the software itself, of course. QBO is a tool, a powerful one. But like any tool, it needs a user, a skilled hand to guide it. And that hand, more often than not, belongs to an accountant. But here's the kicker. It's not just one accountant. It's a vast, interconnected network. So how many are we talking about? How many accountants are actually working with or within the QuickBooks Online ecosystem? Well, that's exactly what we're diving into today. We're going to peel back the layers of QBO, explore its features, and figure out just how many accounting professionals are involved in keeping the financial wheels turning. Now, before we get into the numbers, let's establish some context. QBO isn't just used by businesses directly. It's also a platform heavily utilized by accounting firms and individual accountants. Think of it as a central hub, a digital workspace where accountants can manage multiple clients, access real-time data, and collaborate seamlessly. This brings us to our first key point, the role of the pro advisor. If you've ever dabbled in QBO, you've probably come across this term. A QuickBooks Pro Advisor is a certified professional who has undergone training and passed exams to demonstrate their expertise in the software. They're the QBO gurus, the experts who can help businesses set up their accounts, troubleshoot issues, and provide ongoing support. And here's where the numbers start to get interesting. Intuit, the company behind QuickBooks, has a vast network of pro advisors. These individuals are independent accountants, bookkeepers, and consultants who have chosen to specialize in QBO. They are the frontline support, the problem solvers, the ones who make sure that businesses are getting the most out of the platform. While Intuit doesn't release precise, real-time figures on the total number of pro advisors globally, it's safe to say that the number is substantial. We're talking tens, if not hundreds, of thousands worldwide. These professionals are spread across the globe, serving businesses of all sizes and industries. But pro advisors are just one piece of the puzzle. We also need to consider the accountants who are employed directly by businesses that use QBO. These are the in-house accountants, the ones who are responsible for the day-to-day financial management of their companies. They use QBO as their primary accounting software, relying on its features to track income and expenses, generate reports, and ensure compliance. And then there are the accounting firms, the ones that offer outsourced accounting and bookkeeping services. These firms often use QBO as their primary platform, managing the finances of multiple clients from a single dashboard. They leverage the software's features to streamline their workflows, automate tasks, and provide real-time insights to their clients. So how do we quantify this? How do we put a number on the total number of accountants who are involved in the QBO ecosystem? Well, it's a bit like trying to count the stars in the sky. We can't give you an exact figure, but we can provide some estimates and insights. First, let's consider the number of QBO users. Intuit reports millions of subscribers worldwide. Each of these subscribers, to some degree, interacts with accounting professionals. Whether it's through a pro advisor, an in-house accountant, or an outsourced accounting firm, the demand for accounting services related to QBO is immense. Second, let's look at the growth of the accounting profession itself. The demand for accountants is steadily increasing, driven by the growing complexity of financial regulations and the increasing adoption of cloud-based accounting software like QBO. Third, let's consider the impact of technology. While AI and automation are changing the landscape of accounting, they're not replacing accountants entirely. Instead, they're augmenting their capabilities, allowing them to focus on higher value tasks like financial analysis and strategic planning. So what's the takeaway? How many accountants are there in QuickBooks Online? The answer is a lot. It's a massive, dynamic community. We're talking about a network that includes Tens of thousands of QuickBooks Pro advisors, providing expert support and guidance. Millions of in-house accountants, managing the day-to-day finances of businesses. Thousands of accounting firms, offering outsourced accounting and bookkeeping services. And countless other professionals, including consultants, trainers, and support staff, who contribute to the QBO ecosystem. But here's the thing. It's not just about the numbers. It's about the impact. These accountants are the unsung heroes of the small business world. They're the ones who keep the books balanced, the cash flow flowing, and the businesses thriving. They are the ones who translate raw financial data into meaningful insights, the ones who help business owners make informed decisions, and the ones who ensure that businesses are compliant with tax laws and regulations. And QBO is their tool, their digital canvas, their platform for success. It empowers them to do their jobs more efficiently, more effectively, and more collaboratively. Think of it like this. QBO is the stage and accountants are the performers. They use the software to create a financial symphony, a harmonious blend of numbers and insights that drives business growth. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.